Hi, my name's Scott with Michigan Pool News, and I'm with Tom with Great Lakes, and talking a little bit about enzymes and a few other videos over the past few months. You've seen a little bit going on with them, and the Orb 3 product is the links below that you can click on to get more information. But one of the things we're going to talk about today is combined chlorine a little bit. Tom, you know, I know that when we put our sanitizer in there, we can knock out inorganics and stuff like that.
Correct.
And but our sanitizer's leaving by a little CC, you know, like a fire burning. You know, you have ash left over, and when you oxidize organic material in the pool, you end up with combined chlorine. You think that the enzymes can help with that?
Well, I think that the sanitizer to a certain degree is effective, but at the end of the day, there is probably a more effective tool at taking care of, because of the bio-loading and beta-loading that you have in many of your facilities, and enzymes a better and more effective tool to take that organic material out. So if we take 80 to 90% of that material out of the water, now your sanitizer, instead of battling the greases and oils and everything else you and I leave behind when we swim, it's now doing its job to oxidize. So A, you're going to come up with less combined chlorine, and think it really, at the end of the day, now your sanitizer, instead of battling that grease, that oil, that cosmetics, everything we're leaving behind when we swim, now it's really going to do.
It actually might have a better chance of shocking the pool like it's supposed to and knocking some of the combines out.
Absolutely.
It'd be nice if we can get some data on that at some time to really take a look at that.
And I think we'll have some exciting data that'll be coming up from a couple of applications in Wisconsin, a couple of YMCA's, a couple of municipal pools, where we're looking at increasing the efficiency of that sanitizer so it does a better job at the combined issue, but ultimately looking at a way, again, to safely use an enzyme to remove that organic material, again, making your sanitizer that much more efficient.
In the earlier videos, we talked a lot about the dosing of the material into the bodies of water. Is there a benefit to dosing more often rather than weekly, monthly, or what have you?
Absolutely. In this particular case, you've got beta loading coming into your typical facility on a daily basis and then on an hourly basis. We just need to keep up with that. So while our label rate discusses a weekly application of this product, we find even greater result if this product gets in on a daily application. Not a greater volume, but a greater frequency. So if a pump is set up, peristaltic pump is set up to spit a little bit of enzyme into that water, again, it becomes even more efficient at what it does. And we actually, that's where we're beginning to see some of the exciting data on combined chlorine reduction is we went in our test facilities, went from treating once a week and getting a reasonable reduction in combined to treating on a daily basis, and that improved our efficiency again by another 10 or 15%.
We have a lot of clients that really rave about enzymes, and when we started introducing your product to them, they found that they were using a little bit less. And why is that? Is there a difference in the product bases that are on the market?
I think what your clients are using today is a product specifically designed for your application. You know, enzyme usage has been popular in swimming pools, really residential swimming pools, for well over 10 years. It's just there's never been the proper product for the commercial application for your work, for your clients. So today, what we have in the Orb 3 line is truly a commercial grade product built specifically for your application. Comes actually a raw material that comes from our industrial water treatment division, where we treat heavy duty waste. We now bring a very robust product into your markets.
Yeah, I find a lot of my schools talk about grease traps and things that they use enzymes in, and so, well, hey, thanks for viewing Michigan Pool News, and if you'd like to get some free samples, please call Aquatic Source, and I'm sure that they'll ship you out some to try at your pool. Thanks for viewing Michigan Pool News.